Learn how to use license file management. When you open the LFM service, you will see, on the left, a list of all available files. On the right, the text of the file you selected from the list. Select the license file you want to update. Click the Create New Draft button. This action will create an editable copy of the selected file's text. Choose Edit on Website for hassle-free in-browser license editing. Switch to the draft version to safely edit the license file text before final submission. Open Menu and compare your draft with the original for clear insight into changes. Compare the draft with the original file, then click the Push button. This will update the original file with your changes from the draft. Then select the Push method, fill in the Note field, and confirm to save the changes. Your license file has been updated on the license server now.